Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we're reviewing this beautiful SHEIN wig, and we're going to talk about if it's worth the money or not. Okay, so let's dig right into it, because you know, a girl, I'm gonna be able to do whatever with whatever. I'm gonna make it do what it do, but let's see if this is really worth your money.
Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make this spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young girl don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm out the pause for serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane we can merge. So with no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in it big with P Litty. QP. I love my bitches, this pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then walk out the city.
It's definitely on there. Ain't gonna be no wobbles, no lines. That look good right there. Up in there. I think I got more powder on there. It's looking good so far. Okay. So it is on there, and we're just gonna put a band down. Do y'all see me? Okay, this is a SHEIN wig. Okay, big body SHEIN wig. Okay, all right. So let's clip this back and let's put the band down for 10. We're gonna get SHEIN some little extra work. I'm not no EK. Y'all know EK wanna lay it down for an hour. Baby, I don't got EK's hand on my hands. That bitch said an hour on the bed. I'm like, how you bitches get y'all hair done? A bed for an hour? It's gonna get them good 10 minutes, and I'll be back in 10. Melting. I'm gonna just go in sections and lightly just flat iron this to see what it's giving. Just to see if it's giving flat iron or what. It's smoking a little bit. Smell good. I washed it. Okay. It's giving a little silk vibes. Okay. Hold on, she here. So as you can see, I flat ironed this side. Let me show you what it's giving. It's giving silk on the low. This is a 1 to 2 passes. So still not like bone straight, but honestly, I wanted to stay with that thickness. So this is the silk that it's giving. Here, let me do a comb through. No tangling. Nape of the neck is good, really soft. Honestly, y'all, I'm not mad at SHEIN. Like, so this is it. Obviously, I didn't blow dry this hair. I just let it air dry overnight. I also had curled a piece with a little like baby rod, and it held the curl just to see like if it would hold that, and if I could put curls in this on another day. So yeah, honestly, for flat iron, for softness, those are gonna get 8s from me. It's really soft. Honestly, the softness can get a 10. It's not tangling. It's not shedding. It's not even. Yeah. I have one piece of hair, and I had to pull, and that could be from plucking. So I'm not mad at that. And then this is the air dried side. Let's put my hands through here. and I got nothing. So shedding is a minimal right now. It's going good so far. Like, I'm pretty impressed, Shein. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so let's take the band off. Chop out the bando. So this is what we working with lace wise. Okay, so this is what the lace is looking like right now. So we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut the lace off, okay? So, I typically like to start in the middle. So that's what that's looking like with no spray. Y'all know we're gonna get to our spray. This is what the lace looks like. You can see it down here more so. Right here, it's pretty melted. Down here, we still need to add some spray. So this is this side. So we're gonna have to do another melt. Oh, it's hot. And I think I'm out of my spray. A little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it directly on the end of the comb. And I'm just gonna press that down. Everywhere the lace is coming up. And I'll do this. Okay, and now we're gonna bend one more time. It's like a little, you know, it's a little fleek. It's a little fleek. It's a little fleeky, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's see what fleeky got. What's tea? I know. Let's get a fleek. So let me do my makeup. Melt it, okay? Now let's give it shape up. I definitely have to give it some type of. Honestly impressed with the lace. Like, the lace is giving the problem with the lace is that it's no back and forth. Because I couldn't pull the lace forward, I couldn't go back. So I don't have what I usually have here. Now obviously I could pull from right here, and that's what I'm gonna end up doing. But I really love a natural hairline on my black hair. Unfortunately, because this is so across and nothing's coming forward for me, it's not like giving natural hairline for my natural hairline. Like if somebody has more round straight hairline, mine goes up here. So I have low, and I'm looking at myself and I'm looking weird to myself because I don't have that. But like, it's actually insane how melted this is. how long this is, how thick this is, how soft this is. For a SHEIN wig, like this is, like I am impressed. Like regardless of anything, like I am so impressed by this. Like how in the hell does a SHEIN wig eat like this? Like it's definitely giving scalp, no lie. And like I said, it's the straightness that's throwing me off. You know, the fact that it don't have no ins and outs and backs and forths, but like as far as just eating goes, this motherfucker is definitely eating. See, it needs that back and forth to give it and I promise y'all, I don't want baby hairs on this, but unfortunately I have to, like, I have to give it some type of depth or I'm gonna be looking at it funny. You see what I mean by depth? So now it's looking like I got that back and forth, And you can do this without baby hair, but I would have to pluck so much of this away that I might as well just do baby hair. So now it's looking like a real hairline to me versus on here where it's just looking like, you know, it's giving scalp. You know, it's giving coming out the scalp, but like my scalp don't look like that. My scalp comes forward here and it looks weird for me. Okay. Okay. So, alright, I'm gonna come back, y'all, when I do my baby hairs because my camera is dying, and do the rest of the review. Okay. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the four and I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. But I just want to say this is a freaking SHEIN wig. Can you believe? Like what? Like damn, she in her mood. She lit get bundles too. SHEIN, you did your big one. I'm gonna get this wig a good affordable 8. I'm gonna update you guys with how the quality holds up, but out the box plucking, and I plucked a lot. Let me show y'all the big ball of hair that I plucked. This is how much hair I plucked. It's a whole fucking lot. It took a lot. Like I said, I had to have the baby hairs. I really wanted a natural hairline, but the baby hairs still eat. The hairline still eats. It looks so good. It's so full for a 30-inch wig. It's not on the thinner side. It's on the thicker side. It's really soft. The cap is, it's gonna be a tight cap for a big head girl, but it works good, I'm sure, for the smaller head girls. But it still works for the big head girls. But if we got lower hairlines, you just gotta bring your edges down. I'm impressed. I'm literally giving this an 8.9 out of 10 for the affordable side. Now, I'm a luxury hair girl. I couldn't give this a 10. I couldn't give this a luxury 8. I can only give this a affordable virgin hair, quick wig. You know, like a quick wig 8.9, like a affordable 8.9. This is not a like luxury tier. We doing the affordable tier. This is for my affordable girls. I know my luxury girls not shopping on SHEIN for no week. So this is for the affordable girls. Love it. Like it really does look good. You can get a scalp. Y'all seen the lace was so white earlier. I just put that powder on there. Actually, I need to put some on my side right here. My sideburn right here, but it looks so good. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means everything to me, and I can do some more wig reviews. If you guys want more wig reviews, let me know. But thank you guys for watching my SHEIN wig review. I really do love it. It's so soft, it's so silky, so thick. The lace is looking good. I love it. I'm so impressed. I'm so shocked. Like, I think this is definitely worth the money, guys. I definitely think, I gotta go see what the price is. I don't know what the price of this wig is. I want to say it might be like $200 or something, but this is definitely a $200 wig. $300 wig, I could definitely see it being, because I would pay for 30 inches, I would pay about $700-800 for 3 bundles, and then about $900, $1,000 for 4 bundles plus a frontal. Y'all, it's a lot of money, and that's wholesale. So yeah. I love this, guys. I definitely think if you are a beginner, you should definitely get this. Definitely take it to your stylist because they're gonna have to pluck. If you don't know how to pluck, take it to the stylist, baby. You're gonna have to pluck this with some knowledge. It is very full, but I really love this, y'all. I just can't say how much I love it enough. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and ask all the questions you want to below if I didn't cover something, so I know to cover it next time. And again, the company is SHEIN, and you can use my code WIGXOParis15 for 15% off. But thank you guys. Okay, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.